back to my channel. So today I have Stamp of Life card kit, and for what is this month? March. And I also had a stamp of the month. And so for the stamp of the month, it's called Bastard to Stamp. And yeah, both of them called Bastard to Stamp. So this gives you the die and the basket. And it says, bunches of love to you. Live life into full bloom. Spring in the air. No, spring is in the air. And blooming with joy. And then also she has another part. We've this one dice at where you get the, let's see. Oh yeah, this one here. It's more basket to stamp, where you get umbrella and you get the, what do you call this piece that goes for the basket? Even though I think you should get that piece in the basket because it's a basket. How do you have a basket without a handle? I don't understand that part. But okay. But nonetheless, that's fine. So then for the card kit of the month, I thought I'd open this up all the way, but apparently not. Oh, yeah, I did. There we go. So for the card kit of the month, this is called Missing You Collection Card Kit for March. And then you get some jimmies. And you get some these pretty flowers. And you get some twine or ribbon. And then you get this stamp set that says, Missing You So Much. It says, not stamp set, sorry, die set. Then you get like these puffy stickers. They're like flower puffy stickers. And then you get these little stickers of sentiments. It says, happy to be sharing happy to sharing these special moments with you. For someone special, you are kind, and I'm blessed to have you in my life. Thank you for being in the sunshine of my day. Thinking with you, sincerely in love. Be gentle with yourself. You are doing the best you can. I know that's true. I sure is doing the best I can right now. And then you get the big dice, and you get A1 Elegant Edged Card Set die. And then you get this pattern paper. And yes, so you get some umbrellas, the flowers, some bigger flowers, Missing You, smaller umbrellas, bigger Missing You, like I said, the flowers to the baskets. And then you get the pieces where you can cut up the umbrella and the trellis and the other flowers. I'm going to have to first cut these because I don't have the other die part with it. And you get the baskets and the flowers. And you get some more flowers. You get some more, a whole bunch of flowers. And you get more smaller flowers. And you get more umbrellas. You get 2 pieces of each. And then of course, you get your pattern paper. Not pattern paper, you get your color cardstock and your envelopes. And you get your storage to store stuff in. So until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.